Hello friends, how often and why change the brake fluids? The frequency of replacement of brake fluids depends on the following factors: type of brake systems, operating condition of the vehicle, class of brake fluid, composition the basis on which the brake fluid is produced. For most cars, the service interval for replacing brake fluid is 40,000 kilometers. If the temperature in the system does not constantly rise above 150 degrees. For sport and premium car, it's recommended to completely change the brake fluid every 20,000 kilometers. More information about the term of the use and the procedure for replacing the brake fluid can be found in the operating instruction for the car. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.